Yeah, so good evening, students. So, student, today is a very auspicious day. So, today is the birthday of the goddess Saraswati Devi, whom we all signified for the goddess of particularly wisdom, goddess of knowledge, goddess of memory, goddess of communication, whatever you call it. Okay? So, on this auspicious day, I really pray to God that you all will have a best academic career, student. Okay, as you are moving to the crucial part of your life. Okay, so I bless you all and I pray to God that you will have a best career ahead also, and especially for this class 10th, the turning point in your life. Okay, students. So, with that, let us start our journey. Okay, so you see, you require all the three things. So, just now I said goddess of wisdom. What is that, student? You are understanding the concepts deeper and deeper. Wisdom. Goddess of memory, I said. Okay, goddess of memory is what, student? You need to recall the things, recall the formulas to in your final paper at least. And I said goddess of communication. You need to express these things on the paper. Okay, so these three things are definitely required at every point in your academic career, especially. Not always academic career. Okay, that's the reason I'm just praying to God, and I just bless you all with a good career, student, good academic career, especially good marks for this class. Okay, with that, let us start our session. Okay, so students, so we have started our yesterday areas of circles, right? We have done most of them. I think hardly three or four questions are left. Then we'll move to the yes, thank you, Pavila. Then we'll move to the a sample paper. Okay. Okay, so a quick recap, student, quick recap. So I've just expressed what is sector, two radius, one arc. It's a sector. Okay, chord is this one, and what is segment? Chord and an arc. Area between them is segment. Okay, how to find the length of an arc? This is an arc. How to find the length of an arc? The formula is simple. Theta by 360 into 2 pi r. Okay. How to find the area of the sector? This blue color area. It's again simple, sir. Whole area is pi r square. But we have traveled only theta in spite of whole 360 degrees. So I need to write theta by 360 into pi r square. Okay. Then finally, how to find the area of the segment? There is no direct formula to find the area of the segment. First of all, we need to find the area of the sector, and then we need to erase it. Okay. Whenever I'm choosing erase in my particular this thing, I'm having some issue. Then you just need to delete this upper triangle. Okay, this is what we have done, but the challenge is how to find the area of triangle. That depends on the angle they made, student. Yeah, how to find the area of the triangle, which I need to subtract always. So that depends on the angle. What is the angle? If theta equal to 60 degrees, so this triangle is purely an equilateral triangle. You just need to subtract area of equilateral triangle root 3 by 4 r square. From the sector, you need to subtract root 3 by 4 r square. Okay, that was one case. When theta equal to 90 degrees, what will you do? Here also again, it's a right angle triangle. Area of a right angle triangle is half into r square. From the total sector, you need to subtract half r square. That's all. You'll get the segment of the blue color area. Finally, when the theta equal to 120 degrees, ultimately you need to do some other tricks like dividing this into two equal triangles, making 60 and 60, then using trigonometric values, trigonometric ratios to find the base and height. Then you use half into base into height. Okay. So those all tricks you can use. If you want to just remember that way, you can just use this particular formula. Okay, MCQ problem. MCQ, you will see something like similar. Okay, so student, do you all recognize one thing? Hmm. So is this formula both same, student? You see here, root 3 by 4 r square is what I got. Area of a segment. Theta by 360 into pi r square minus root 3 by 4 r square I got. Now here also I'm saying theta by 360 into pi r square minus root 3 by 4 r square. So you see equilateral triangle and 120 degrees. Ultimately we are getting same formula, but as we don't have this formula, you need to derive it. Okay, You need to derive. For theta equal to 60 degrees, you can use that formula because equilateral triangle formula we know from our childhood. Okay, students? Okay, so with that, let us start our session back. Okay, so we have done many questions, students. So I'll just show how many marks that will come for your exam. This particular MCQ, how many marks? Case-based question, do you have it or not? Okay, 2 marks, you have it or 3 marks. Those all we'll be seeing. Pattern we'll see, then we'll move to the question. Okay, so okay, students, let us see the first question of today's session. A circle with radius 6 centimeters, you can see the circle with radius 6 centimeters shown below. The area of the shaded region, you see this is the shaded region, is 5 by 9 times of areas of circle. What is the length of circle minor arc? This minor arc means, you see both arc, big arc, small arc. So small arc is minor arc. So he's just asking you this particular length, student. Okay, so this particular length is asking. Come on, students. So with the given information, try to find out the things. So how to find the length of an arc? We have a direct formula. Length of arc equal to theta by 360 into 2 pi r. You see, do you have all the things? R you have, 2 pi you know, theta you don't have, student. For the same thing, you need to use his statement. Come on, students, at least try for some time. Rest I'll help you. So whenever he's asking something, you try to use that formula. If at all you require something else, then you use the given information. So I don't have theta here. So I need to use given information to find the theta. Good evening, Aparna, Jahnavi. Please switch on your cameras, Aparna, Jahnavi, Devansh. Why are you switching off your camera, student? Switch on your camera, Devansh. Aparna, what happened? You have corrected your video, right? Already? Why are you not switching on, student? Aparna?
So for a few days, my mom has taken my laptop for some work. So I'm joining from her mobile. So it'll take some time for me to go to my laptop. Probably from tomorrow, I will join from my laptop again. So then I'll on my video.
Okay. Length of arc is asking. We have a direct formula. But in that data, we don't have theta. So find the theta by given condition. Next, an area of shaded region beta is 5 by 9 times of area of circle. So area of circle, I know the formula pi r square. What is the area of shaded region, student Shayan? Which formula do you want to use for to find this shaded region?
Pi r square theta by 360.
Yes, absolutely wonderful. Okay. So she's telling, sir, this is theta. And you see, shaded region is exactly a sector. Radius, r. So theta by 360 into pi r square. Wonderful. So that is equal to 5 by 9 times of area of circle. Happily things are getting cancelled. Cancel, cancel. Okay. 9 ones are 940s are. Theta equal to 200 degrees. Okay, Fadila got some answer. Very good, Sugal. Up to there, you're right. Shayan, very good. Shayan, Fadila answers are matching. Okay, so I got theta. Okay, very good. So Shayan, theta I got. So shall I use the theta 200 by 360 degrees?
So from 360 you minus 200 and that value you substitute.
Very good, very good. Absolutely fine. Student, you see what she's saying? Sir, you got the big angle, big theta, but he's asking the small r. So if this is 200, this will be 160. 160. That's the reason, student. You should not use 200. You should use 160 by 360 into 2 pi r. Shrugal, I don't know. You got wrong answer, I guess, student. You see, here you should take 160, Shrugal. You found the big angle, okay? Major angle you found, but you see, he's asking minor arc, so you want minor angle. Okay, okay. Okay, so obviously, student, what will happen here? So let me finally give the right answer. So that will be 160 by 360 into 2. Pi value, he has not mentioned anything. 22 by 7 only, you should take R value is 6. Acha, so sorry, all the answers are in pi, right? Okay, very good. So generally, students MCQ questions, he is not taking pi value. R. 0, 0 cancel. 6, 6 are 36. 2, 3 are 6. 16 pi by 3 is the right answer. Centimeters. Yes, Janavi, wonderful. Ponnappa, any doubt, student?
No, sir.
Got it? Okay. So intentionally, he will, you see, this guy, Shrugal has done with 200 and he got the answer. So intentionally, he will give that particular option because he know that how where the students make mistake. Okay. So be cautious. 16 pi by 3 is the right answer. Let me see answer.
What is the answer, sir?
No. Okay, 16 pi by 3 student. 16 pi by 3. Okay, okay, students. We are going ahead now. The long and short hands of a clock are 6 centimeters and 4 centimeters. Okay, so the long hand, which is minutes hand, and the short hand, obviously that will be the second hours hand. Okay, long, and so the one is 6, another is 4 centimeter long. The sum of distance traveled by their trips in 24 hours. So he's asking the sum of distance traveled by these tips in 24 hours better. Okay. So let us go by what minutes hand. First, let us so he's asking sum of distance. So I need to find how much minutes hands is traveling, then how much hours hand is traveling. Then I should add both of them. Okay, minutes hand, hour. Okay, so Jahnavi, how will you do, student? Minute hand, how much it will travel in 24 hours? So first of all, which
360 into 24.
very good. So that's absolutely right. So 360 into 24. That's right. But what you want to calculate? Which formula you are calculating? Is it sector, segment, or length of an arc? What are you calculating?
Area of circle.
No. He asked you some of the distance traveled by their tips. Their tip beta.
Sir, sector.
Sector. Think again. So the tip means, suppose what will your tip travel? You see, the trip goes on this particular thing. What is this? Is it a area? Is it a circumference? What is that? Length of an arc. What is that?
Circumference.
So length of an arc. Circumference is nothing but length. So you need to calculate length of an arc, student. Okay, good. Okay, so student, the tip of the particular hand, student. So the tip will move on a thin line. So that is a arc, circumference, or length of an arc. Okay, now what is she saying? Sir, in 24 hours, right? 24 hours, how much? Okay, you see in 1 hour how much it will travel? It will travel 2 pi r. 1 hour means total one circumference beta 1 hour means So obviously 1 hour 2 pi r, big R I am taking per 6. 24 hour means 24 into 2 pi r. That's all. There is no formula required also. If you want to use the formula, you can still use it. Okay, sir, he is asking the length of an hour, theta by 360 into 2 pi r and 24. 24. So what is theta here? Theta is 360. Both are getting cancelled. That's the reason 24 into 2 pi r I have directly written. Okay. In 1 hour, this particular minute's hand is moving 360 degrees. In 24 hours, it will move 24 times. So 24 into 2 pi r. Big R you can take it. Understood, Jahanavi? Sugal, understood better this one?
I wonder,
Yeah,
this
go ahead.
isn't like touching this one, the clock. It's just,
So you want to say it is not touching here?
yes, sir.
So what is the? I am not asking whether it will touch here. It is touching only here. That time you see what is the radius.
Oh,
Radius
so
is
they're
nothing
just
but
asking a circumference.
ah.
Okay.
Okay. Yes, Shrugal. So explain me about the hours hand now. So in 24 hours, how many 360 degrees will it make? Hours hand.
So it will make like 24 into 360.
Oh, okay. Shrugal, 1 hour, this much. 2 hour, this one better. Red one I am speaking. Why it will make 24? You see, 1 hour means this one only. 2 hours, this much. 3 hours, this much. 4 hours, this was 5 hours, this was 6 hours, 7 and 9. In 12 hours, it is making one rotation beta. 24 hours, it will make another rotation. Only two rotations. Why will it make 24 times? Hours
Okay.
hand. Okay? Understood? Should I repeat?
So like there's 24 hours means 24,
Yeah, so that is good.
24 times.
That is fine for minutes hand. But hours hand in 1 hour it is moving only 5 minutes, right? So that's the reason in 12 hours it will move one complete rotation, but he's asking 24 hours another complete rotation. So 2 into 2 pi r, two circles, so 2 into 2 pi r. You should just add both of them. Shayan, understood beta?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Aparna, any doubt?
No, sir.
Konappa, any doubt beta?
No, sir.
No, okay. So please calculate it, student. One student already gave the answer also. So I don't know. Acha, he has given pi 3.14 students. So you need to do that lengthy calculation. I don't have any option now. R is nothing but 6. This one 2 into 2 into 3.14 into 4. Okay, so this question you can expect this student. So I have seen in many sample papers this question. You can expect this question this time. And how many marks? 2 marks. Okay, only 2 marks. I have the answer? Okay, I have the answer. Absolutely right answer, Fadila. 954.56. 954.56. Absolutely right answer. You see? What did he do? Yes. 2 pi r into 2 once. Yes, 2 pi r into 24. Yes, right answer. You will get the same answer. Yeah, 1 hour, 1 revolution, 24 hours, 24 into 2 pi. 12 hours, 1 revolution, 24 hours, 2 revolutions. You should add both of them. Okay, so you see here also students will confuse for the hours hand because many questions we have done on minutes hand. So students are in the mood that okay, so minutes hand 60 minutes, 1 revolution. Hours hand also they will do. But he mixed both of the question to confuse. Hours hand 12 hours 360 degrees. 24 hours, 2 into 2 pi r, 2 times 2 circles. Okay. So you can do the calculation. You please, if you want to write, you can write the answer 954.56. Okay. Okay, students, I'm moving ahead. Okay. Second last question of the previous year question. Then we'll be going to the sample paper. The figure below is a part of a circle with center O. So you see, this is a circle he's saying. So let me draw the full circle if you want. With center O. Its area. So this area, student, its area means he has given only this figure, right? Its area he's saying. This area is 1250 pi by 9 centimeters square. And the 10 sectors are identical. You see, this area he has divided into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. He is asking you beta value. Beta value is asking. Yes, Fadila, how will you do, student?
Sir, theta by 360 into pi r square into 10 is equals to the whole area.
Theta by 360 into pi r square into 10.
Yes.
Okay. Acha, beta by 360 into. Okay. Right answer, student. Good. Go ahead. Okay. So students, that's up to you. You can do it multiple ways, but you see, he has given some area. Okay. So Ponnappa, what is this area, student? Which formula will use? He has given this red color area.
The sector.
Sectors. Okay. What is sectors formula? Theta by 360 into pi
Pi r
r square. That one he gave it as 1250 pi by 9. Okay. So theta, I don't know. I'll write theta only. Pi, okay. R square, R is 20 given, student. 20 into 20 equal to 1250 pi by 9. You see, this is what he has given. Now let us cancel. What are the things that we can cancel? Pi, cancel. Okay. 9 ones are, 9 40s are, 20 ones are, 22s are, 2 10s are. Okay, so theta I am getting 125, student. So if I got cancel, all I'm getting theta 125. Now what is beta? All are identical beta. Total is 125 degrees I am getting. What will be beta? By 10. Why, sir? Why? Because all are identical. One angle will be 1 by 10. Okay, because it's a 10 sectors. Okay, one big sector is 125 degree angle, and if divided by 10, so beta equal to theta by 10, 125 by 10, 12.5 degrees. I think I'm getting the answer. Cross check, student. So yes, one student give the answer. Let me see. Yes, true girl, very good. Now 12.5. He's asking beta. Find the value of beta. So total you got 125, and total is broken into 10 degrees. 10 sectors means 10 parts. Aparna, understood this question?
Yes, sir, but partially understood.
Yeah, so you see he has given this area beta. So this area is something like radius r. It's a sector. So I have just used sector formula and equated to it. I have done multiple things, cancellations only I have done maximum here. So I got theta equal to 125. So this total theta we got. But he is asking you beta. But how are these 10 sectors divided? Identical. That means each sector will be by 10, right? 12.5, 12.5, 12.5, like that. If I write, then only the total 10 will become 125. Okay, Shayan, okay, beta, understood? Shayan? Okay. Okay, last question of the session, and then we'll go to sample paper. In the given figure, diameter AC, BD of a circle intersected O, they both are diameter, beta. AC and BD, they both are diameter. Angle AOB equal to 60 degrees and OA equal to 10. OA, this one, OA equal to 10. Find the length of the chord AB. So he's asking you, the first question you do, student. AB length is asking. This red color length is asking. And he gave this black color as 10. Please give the answer in the chat box. Right answer, Fadila. Go ahead with the next part. Come on, students, think. Read the question, think. Come on, Sugal, Ponnappa, Shayan, Devansh, Aparna, Jahnavi. There are why some students did not join today. Amulya, Ananya, Harshini. Well, sir, there is power cut in my home. You joined it later. Oh my God. Hmm. So students, so what is this problem? Is this a okay? Is this a problem of areas of circles or circles? Ponnappa, which problem is this? Area of circles or circles? Very good, Shayan. Good.
Sir, circles.
Circles, right? Circles, what did I say? Whatever the problem comes, 10.1, 10.2, and then you should see the triangle. So is there any tangent? No. Once tangent is not there, 10.1 doesn't work. Why? Because 10.1 says tangent and radius 90 degrees. Okay, so not possible. Next, two tangents are there with 10.2. Not even one tangent. Why I'll say 10 point. So both skip, student. Then you see some triangle is formed. So yes, I'm able to see some triangle. What is this? From center to edge 10. From center to edge 10. So which type of triangle is this, Ponnappa? From here it is 10, from here it is 10. Both are from center to edge. So which type of triangle is this? When two sides
Isosceles.
are isosceles. So what is the next property of isosceles? Sir, if they both are there, so this
Angles.
X, this will be X. Opposite angles will be same. Now angle sum property, 2x plus 60 equal to 180, 2x equal to 120, x equal to 60. That means this question has been converted to which triangle, Ponnappa?
Equilateral triangle.
That's all. So if in equilateral triangle, this is 10, this is also 10. You see, we have done the same template again. So what is the length of chord AB? It's 10, students. 10. So length of chord AB is 10. Okay. Yes, Shugal, what's the doubt?
Doing it, sir.
No need? Okay. Okay, Sugar. Now you need to say me area of the shaded region. Let me erase these things. Give me the basic formula. Calculation part you all can do. Do it. If possible, you do it before I'm closing this question. Okay, so now I want the shaded region. Area of shaded region. Okay, go ahead, Shrugal. What all you can see according to shaded region? So I'll give some other
This is a
names.
semicircle, right, sir?
This is semicircle.
Yeah, plus 60 degrees.
Shaded region I'm asking.
This one, telling the shaded there.
Shaded region is here, here. I want these two regions.
Oh, it's kind of confusing. Like,
Shaded means the one which is colored. This one, this small one.
okay, so we add the semicircle area plus the area of triangle.
If you add the semicircle area is this.
No,
You
no,
have
not this one, sir. That one. The other one.
other one.
Yeah.
Okay, you want to add the semicircle area. So I have added semicircle. Then,
And then we add it with the triangle.
okay, you want to add the triangle. Okay, then.
Then we subtract it from the circle. The whole circle.
Wonderful. Right answer. Absolutely right answer. Okay. Wonderful. Right answer. Okay. So how is this possible? So he's telling, sir, you take the total circle. Okay. Total circle area will be pi r square minus. Now he's asking, remove this semicircle. What is the semicircle? Pi r square by 2. Plus what else I need to remove? He's asking me to remove this triangle. This triangle just now we have drawn equilateral triangle. Root 3 by 4 r square. Finish. You'll get the answer. Okay. Shayan, any other way? I'm erasing this. Any other way, Shayan? Yeah, Shayan, go ahead.
No, sir, I did it the same way.
You did the same way. Ponnappa, any other way?
Sir, maybe we can directly use. No, we cannot.
Yeah, go ahead, go ahead. You say me. I'll just say whether you can use it or not.
Sir, I thought we can find that sector area.
Very good. You see, there is also another way. So this is radius, this is radius, this is an arc. It's a sector. So he's saying area of sector, which is nothing but OBQC, OBQC, then plus
That plus that segment.
that's all. This is also absolutely fine. Plus area of segment. Both formulas you have. Segment का नाम क्या है बेटा? APB. Area of sector formula will be theta by 360 into pi r square. Now what is theta? So this is 60. This will be 120. Why? Straight line should make 180. So 60, 120 degrees. So it's the theta will be 120. Finish. Okay. Plus area of segment. What is area of segment? We don't have area of segment formula. We will find the total sector, which is 60 by 360 into pi r square minus, we will subtract this triangle root 3 by 4 r square because the triangle is equilateral. Okay, so you see student here only in
So
this
what is area of sector?
area of sector is theta by 360 into pi r square. Okay, so in this small group of 7-8 members, you got two ideas. Okay, so Fadila, any third idea? Okay, so both are right. So Shrugal is also perfectly right. You see how simply he has done it. There is no requirement of sector segments also. He choose the easiest way, semicircle and triangle. Okay. So, but both are right, student. Okay, both are right. So I don't know answer. Let me check the answer. How the answer is like this. So I'm sure. Okay, so that is 60. Yeah, you see the second way. What Ponnap has sector and segment. What is segment? Sector minus area. Okay, your so final answer will be 157 minus 43.5. Yeah? What is it? So 157 minus 43.25. So 117.35 is the final answer. 117.35 centimeters. Okay, so there is no requirement to do this. You can do it. The calculation wise, you can do it, student. You see, he has given pi this one. So try to be very cautious while applying the things. Okay, don't apply 22/7. Huh? Okay, students. So in that way, what all we completed? We completed. Let me take it. Intro to trigonometry, application of trigonometry, circles, areas of circles, probability. Okay. So students, I have seen the highest demand for triangles. So probably I'll be starting triangles tomorrow. Okay. So let me check. Did you all again change your mind? Batch 1. Yes, triangles. Okay. 8 students has wants triangles. Okay. So let me go. Yeah, Fadila, go ahead, student.
Sir, in my answer, I am getting like a bit of decimal difference. So is that okay?
Yes, you will certainly get the decimal distance. So did you take 1.73 or 1.732?
1.73.
Yes, sir. So certainly that's fine, student. Okay. So how much you are getting?
I'm getting something like 2.8.
Fine, student. That's fine. Accepted. Okay. Okay. So in that way, so I'll be starting triangle, students. I'll be starting triangles. Okay. Followed by arithmetic progression. Okay. So probably today is 23rd, right? 24th up to 5th, I'll complete these two. Finally, I'll go for coordinate geometry. And which chapter do you want from all these 4? Only one chapter I think I'll be able to complete. Statistics not required. So I'll not go only 3 or 4 formulas. You can do it by yourself. Okay. If if at all time is possible, I want to take all of them. Okay. If at all you are giving me one Sunday for math, I can cover at least 2 chapters, revision and little sample papers. Okay. I'm not avoiding the chapters, but due to a time constraint, okay, you are also managing other subjects, your board exams. Okay. Pair of linear equations. Okay. Quadratic equation. Okay. For that, I'll poll it, student. I am seeing again multiple response. So right now, I have finalized triangles. Okay. Okay, tomorrow I'll start in triangles. Okay, students, thank you. So now let us see some of the sample papers. Okay, so student, be assured first of all, what questions you are going to get this from particular areas related to circles. If there are only 2 questions, what are those? MCQ 1 question, 3 marks 1 question, or you can say MCQ 1 question, 3 mark 1 question. Only 4 marks you will get from this chapter. Sometimes what is doing, student? Most of the times 2 MCQs, 1 2-mark question. 2 plus 2 again 4 marks. Okay, first of all, there will be no case based question. There will be no 5 marks question. Your questions will be only MCQ and section B 2 marks. A rare chance he may skip the MCQ and directly go for section C. But there will be no 5-mark question. There will be no case based question. Okay, be assured. Case based question, where did I see? I have seen in only math basics. You are all math standard here, I guess. Okay. So in the math basics, I have seen that he is not taking these MCQs and short answers. He is sometimes giving 4 marks case based question from this chapter, which is section E. Okay. So that's the reason, students. So what was very complicated I have seen in this chapter is the calculation part. Okay, calculating pi values, 22 by, it is taking, not complicated, it is taking time. So you see here, by the format only you can assume he has skipped it. Okay, so that particular, either he is expecting the questions in pi only, or he will give pi value 22/7 where the things gets cancelled. Okay, so in that way we are going ahead with this particular format. Okay, which is sometimes basic difficulty standard. Why is sometimes basic difficulty standard? You see, student, even I have seen some of the questions. One trigonometric question I have seen in math basic sample paper, and I am sure that none of the standard students also can solve it. Okay, once you know how to solve it, that's fine. But very first time you're not able to solve it. Why? Because first of all, what template I gave, that doesn't work. Okay, the template what I gave for trigonometry, I said that 99% questions you will be in the right direction. But if you use the template, you're going to stop. Okay, I did not take that question. Very little chance. I did not take that particular question neither in revision nor in sample paper. Okay, and I don't know what makes that guy so happy to make that particular students get afraid of the trigonometry. Could you show the question? I'll send it in the group if you want. Okay. Yeah, so that's the reason I'm saying this particular chapter you will get 2 MCQs, one 2-mark question like that it is for, or one MCQ, one 3-mark question. Okay, so you can't expect big questions. Okay, with that, shall we start doing sample paper? Okay, so now let us see with the what knowledge you have acquired from last 2 sessions whether we are able to do the CBSE sample paper or not the other sample papers, only CBSE sample papers. Okay, revision 2020 practice sheets, 2026 sample paper, math standard, CBSE grade 10 math standard. Okay. 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 Not always, sir. Not always. Math basic. So only 1 or 2 questions like that, Sugar. So Sugar, what are you? Math basic or standard?
I'm standard, Suresh.
Standard. Okay. So we will be concentrating. Yeah. So this is the first question. Okay. So now Jahnavi will do it. Where is Jahnavi? Okay. She left because of power cut. Don't write the question. I'm sending you entire PDF today. All the sample papers just. And most of them are easy questions. Okay, given below is a picture of Olympic. Oh, already give the answer. Could you show the questions? Okay, so what is the given student? By taking 5 congruent triangles. You see, congruent means they are exactly same. Of radius 1 centimeter. 1 centimeter radius, 1 centimeter. Okay. Interesting in such a way that the chord formed by joining the pair of intersection of the circles. That means you see here it is intersecting, is also 1 centimeter. So that means this function, the intersecting chord, whatever that is formed by intersection, that is also 1 centimeter. This red color is also 1 centimeter. Total area of all the dotted regions. So he's asking you this region. He's asking you this region, this region, this region, this region. 1, 2, 3, 4 regions is asking you. Okay, the intersection region is asking you, as simple to say. Okay. Okay, so what I need to say, so student, first of all, they all are congruent. So as I said yesterday, when all of them are congruent, why to go for all of them? Only analyze one of them, finally multiply the things. Okay, so let me analyze only one of them. Okay, let me analyze only this junction. The remaining junction I can just multiply it. Okay, student. So let me analyze this junction. Okay, so where is that? Yeah. So what did he say? He said this is 1 centimeter. No, Fadila. 1 centimeter. Okay. And what else he has given? He has given this is 1 centimeter. Okay. Yeah. So what to do, student? So he's asking the area of the region. So first of all, is it a what is this area? Yes, sure, Shayan. What can you compare? Is it a sector, arc, segment? What is this, beta?
Segment.
Segment. Very good. You see, chord, arc, segment. Okay. Chord, arc. 2 segments are there here. Chord, arc. 1 segment. Chord, arc. 2 segments are there. Now again, they both seems to be same. Please analyze only 1 segment. Here I'm able to see 2 segments. Please analyze 1 segment. Very good, Shayan. Very good, Shayan. Okay. So now I want to find only this much beta. Only this much I want. Only 1 segment I'll find. What will I do? So first of all, sir, I don't know what to do. So I'm not able to get any idea. But as it is a segment, how to find the segment? Area of a sector, area of a segment. कैसा पता करते बेटा? How do you do? Area of sector minus triangle area. This is what we do. This is what is the basic formula. But where is the triangle and where is the sector? You construct it. You know that, sir, what is the maximum thing I can do is, sir, I can join radius. I can join radius. Now you see, student, you are getting sector also and some triangle also. Okay. So I'll just make sure that I'm drawing it perfectly. So I am joining this. Ponnappa, you understood the question at least?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what will I do? I'll draw this radius. Now, Ponnappa, you say, he said radius is 1, this is 1, this is 1, and he said chord is 1. So which triangle is this?
Equilateral triangle.
Finish, student. You got it. What is area of sector? Theta by 360 into pi r square. Area of triangle, equilateral triangle, root 3 by 4 r square. Finish. What is theta? In equilateral triangle, sir, theta is 60 degrees. 60 by 360 into pi r square. R, he said 1. 1 square will be 1 minus root 3 by 4. R square, R is 1. Finish. 61 are 66 are. So, how much you got? Pi by 6 minus root 3 by 4 you got. Okay? Pi by 6 minus. But what is that you got? You just got this area, beta. This area you got. Like that, how many areas are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 into 8 centimeter square. Centimeter square. Yes, Fadila, right answer, student. Strugal, understood or not?
Sir, I gave the answer.
Oh, you gave the answer?
The
Strugal. Acha. No, student. Acha, acha, okay, okay. You gave the answer again, you wrote something else. So I have seen the last.
Sir, you
Ponnappa,
gave this someday, like
Sir, I
as a
understood.
homework.
I gave it.
Yes, sir.
I think one of the student has asked, I guess. Aparna, understood, beta? Aparna,
Yes, sir.
a beautiful doll. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Very good, beta. Okay. Next question. The area of circle only is there. Okay. Area of circle that can be inscribed in a square. So there is a square. 6, 6, 6. 6 square means all are 6, right? Area of circle that can be inscribed in a square. So there is a circle that is inscribed. Inscribed means what, beta? It should touch. No, don't say me, sir. Is it a circle you have drawn? Assume it is a circle. Area of circle formula you all know. And see how can you find the radius. Simple question. Okay, Fadila and Shrugal, right answer, matching answer. Good. Others, right, student? It's an easy question. You see, this is a circle, and circle. This is radius. So diameter is 6. Circle का diameter 6 है बेटा. तो radius कितना होगा? 3 होगा. That's all. Radius will be 3. And you know area of circle is pi r square. Shayan, no student. Area of circle is pi r square. Pi into 3 square. 9 है बेटा. 9 pi है. 9 pi centimeter square. Ah, okay, Shayan, right. Okay. Ponnappa, what appa? Give the answers.
Yes,
Give the
sir.
answers means he has switched off his video. Before my request only, he will again. Okay, students, so you see, last year when I started tuitions, I took almost January 20 to complete the syllabus because that was was the first time I'm teaching. I was not in this field. I just taught during my Air Force life. Whenever the new junior comes, I was very interested to teach him the things. In that way, I learned my passion in teaching, and I have continued the same way after coming out of the service. But you see, I did not go for any revision session. Only last 10, 12 days I went. The students who are moderate enough have attended my revision and they have gained more marks. So revision is a very crucial thing. The revision is very, very crucial thing. Okay. Again, I'm saying before exam also, you will not find so much time to revise all the chapter. Memory mapping, formulas, chapter wise, you need to know what are the formulas in this chapter. Little concept. Every chapter, only half page you need to write it. You need to just refresh them and go for sample papers. Okay. Or you wait for my command. So I'll be giving the top 50 questions by looking all the websites. And all the influencers. So there are many influencers who will be giving that particular data. So this question is going to come. You wait for that. I'll be populating all the questions, especially by the most probably by early morning 5 o'clock. Okay, and go for that particular 50 questions 100%. Okay, 70% the questions may be from that particular. So I can't just quote them or you can't quote me. I have taught you each and everything better than many of the tutors. Okay, so I'm happy to share my knowledge, not the questions. But anyhow, the marks also are important. So that's the reason. So I'll be with you up to the last day. Okay. Area of base of right circular cone surface areas. Yes. 13th question. 13th question. One second. 13th question. Area of a sector of a circle of radius cut off by an arc of length. It's an easy question, I guess. Try to take the rough diagram if you are in need. So he's speaking about circle. Sector means this, this sector. So he's asking area of a sector 21, 21 by an arc of length. So he has given arc of length also. The green one also he has given 22. You see, many things are given. So I think this question should be very easy. So first of all, you write the formula. What is area of sector? So theta. So let me write the black one. So I have used sector for black one. Theta by 360 into pi r square. What all you have? Pi value you have, you know it. R value is given 21 into 21. 360 is known. Theta you don't know, student. For the theta, you need to use this green data. Area of a sector formula, I have written it. And so here only theta I want. Theta is not known. Please use the green color data. What is green color data? Theta by 360 into 2 pi r equal to 22. This is green color. So from here you can find theta. Aparna got some answer. Very good, Aparna. Yes, Aparna, right answer. Okay, Fadila, 1726, not even okay. Okay, right. Fine, then. Shayan, right answer. Very good student. Pranapa, are you able to do? Fadila, right answer. Pranapa, are you able to do, student?
Yes, sir.
So, student, I'll give you one more trick for this question. If you are feeling that, sir, for 1 mark, this much calculation, there is, I think you can use this way also. Okay. Your calculation. So, logic is same thing. Huh? Logic is same thing. You can just take the help of the calculation line. Frugal, right answer. Very good, Frugal. Okay. Okay. So you see, student, how I'm doing. Okay. You see, he has given something like arc of a length, right? What is arc formula? Theta by 360 into 2 pi r equal to 22. This is an arc formula. But what I want, student, I want theta by 360 into pi r square. So what changes are there? Theta by 360 is theta by 360. Pi, pi. Okay, 2 extra is there. I'll divide by 2. So can I do left side? No, I need to do right side also. So now 2 get cancelled, pi I got. But r square is there here, r is there. So I need to multiply by r. I will multiply by r here also. But what is r? R is given 21. So 22 into 21 by 2. 11s are 21. 11s is 231. You see how much load it has reduced. This is the way you can increase your speed, student. Okay. Fadila, understood, beta? Okay. So this is the way you can increase your speed. Again, I'm repeating for the students who did not understand. So I have just taken whatever he has given. Okay. So this is what he has given. I have seen this is what I want. What extra thing is there? So theta by 360, theta same is there. Pi, I have 2 pi. I'll divide by 2. I'll divide by 2. 2 gets cancelled. I'll get pi. But I want r square. I have only r. I'll multiply r here. R square I'll get. But I should multiply r here also. R is nothing but 21 given. 21 by into 22, 11, 11 into 21 is 231. Understood, Shayan?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You see, 2 MCQs we have finished, right? So probably you can expect 2 marks question from this topic. Where is you? Yes, you see, 2 mark question. That's all, student. This chapter is finished. So two MCQs have already done. So you will be doing only one 2 mark question. 2 plus 2, 4 marks. Either you do this or you do this. For time being, right now you use A. You do A. Bit A. Please use do 24A, student. Sir, but this is confused. That's up to you, student. I have given another way also. That's up to you. If you want to use the old way, that is also fine. That may take some time. You'll get the right answer. Oh. A horse, cow, goat are tied each by ropes of length 14 meters at the corners A, B, C respectively of a triangular field ABC, student. and whose lengths are given. So first of all, what is your role? Your role is to draw the triangle 35, 40, 50. Thirty-five, 40. So I have drawn the triangle. Now he said horse, cow, goat. So I'll mark something like H for horse, C for cow, G for goat. Find the area of grass field that can be grazed by them. So you see, if the horse is tied over here, how can it graze, student? So how, and it is tied with the rope 14. So this is, I am assuming 14. This much it can graze. Similarly, this is 14. How can it can graze? This much. Only this much it can graze. Huh? Only this much. This will also 14. 14. So it can't go this side as it is only the rectangle base. I am erasing the things. I am erasing the things. So only this much part only it can grade. Yeah, only this part, this part, this part it can each student. Now you need to find the total area. These three areas you need to find. Yes, Ponnappa, what formula will you use?
Well, we can see that is one sector.
Yeah, finished. You got the answer. He's asking grass field that can be grazed by them. We should add all of them. So area grazed by horse, theta. So I'm assuming this is theta 1. Huh? Theta 1, theta 2, theta 3. Area grazed by horse, theta 1 by 360 into pi r square. What is r, student? 14. Plus area grazed by cow, theta 2 by 360 into pi r square. Area grazed by this goat, theta 3 by 360 into pi r square. Wonderful, Fadila. Shayan, superb. Today, Shayan is rocking. Okay, so what all I can take common? I can take pi r square by 360 degrees common. What will I get? Theta 1 plus theta 2 plus theta 3. What is sum of all the angles? Sum of all the angles is 180, 360 degrees into 180, 180 by 2. That's all, student. Pi r square by 2 is the answer. And you need to keep 22 by 7 because r is given as 14. So pi is 22 by 7. R is given as 14 into 14 divided by 2. 7 ones are, 7 twos are, 2 ones are, 2 11s are. 28, 308 is the right answer. 308 meter square is the right answer, student. 308 meter square is the right answer. Ponnappa, got it, student?
Yes, sir, I was solving.
Okay. Okay, so at least you all be in the right direction. You may take some time. Definitely all the fingers are not same in your hand. All the students will never be same. Okay. But your direction should be right. Your finger should be working. That's all. Okay. Find the inner segment. Do this one, student. This is also very easy question, I guess. Do this one. Find the area of major segment of a circle of radius 5 centimeters formed by the chord subtending an angle of 90 degrees at the center. So we have a direct formula for that, I guess. Okay, so let me erase this all things. Find the area of major segment of the circle of radius. So circle he is speaking and speaking about the major segment circle of radius 5 centimeters. So radius is 5 centimeters. So there will be a chord for that makes a segment found by a chord subtending an angle 90 degrees at the center. So there you can erase this. So this is 5 centimeters. Radius is 5 centimeters, student. Okay. So OAB. First, please be very careful. He is asking major segment. It is not asking minor segment. You have a formula for minor segment. Okay. Yes, Shrugan. What should be the formula of area of minor segment?
Area of minor segment is the quadrant 1 by 4 into pi r square.
Acha, okay. Yes. So area of minor segment. I'm asking minor segment better. Minor sector. I'm not asking minor sector. Minor segment. This area I'm asking.
Okay, so we need to area of quadrant minus
Minus
area
area
of
of triangle.
triangle.
Which triangle is this?
It's a right angle triangle.
That's all, students. So theta by 360 into pi r square minus half r square. What is theta? 90. That's all. So pi r square by 4 minus r square by 4. This will be the small area. Small area, but he is not asking small area. Be very cautious. He is asking this big area. So what will be this big area? Total area minus small area. So what is total area? Pi r square. What is the small area? Just now we have calculated the green one. Pi r square by 4 minus r square by 4. That's all, student. If you do this, you'll get the answer. Okay, Cheyenne? Thank you, Cheyenne, for not switching on your camera for the whole session. Okay, students? So in this way, I think we have completed. Yeah, you will not find any other questions, student. I'm sure about it. Okay. So student, I have many questions left still. Okay. I have many questions left. You see, all the answers are given. So students, so I have asked one of my friend to. So this particular question and answer is done by my friend. So he has populated almost all the questions answers, I guess. Okay. I've just seen. Okay. So you see, after that particular sample paper, I have not seen any tough question with that way. Your CBSE sample paper, what I have seen is that is what most challenging. Remaining all the sample papers that I am able to see, they are much easier than this. And again, don't go for the complicated question. Why? The more complicated questions, the more marks. But but is there any 5 mark and case-based question from this chapter? No. So don't waste your time by giving more hours to certain chapters whose weightage is less. Okay. So you should be judicious in giving your hours, student. Okay. It's all I think you can guess. Okay, let me take any one question. Length of corresponding hours. This all you can do, student. Find the area of corresponding minor segment. You can do 36 degrees. I think. Yeah. So let us do this one question. O is the center of circle of diameter 4 centimeter and OABC is a square. O is the center of the circle with diameter 4 students. So center of the circle with diameter 4. So obviously this will be 2. This is radius. This is 2. This is 2. And OABC is a square. OABC is a square. Okay. If the shaded area is 1 by 3. So shaded area equal to 1 by 3 of area of square. What is shaded area? Clearly you can see it's a sector. It's a sector. You see some students give the answer. Struggle give the answer. Very good, Struggle. Shaded area sector. What is the sector's area? Theta by 360 into pi r square equal to 1 by 3 into what is area of a square? So I'm assuming this is A. So area of square will be A square. Okay. What all you know, student? Do you know theta? Okay, yes, you know theta. This is saying this is a square. A square will have 90 degrees. Square will have 90 degrees. So theta is 90. Pi into r square. R is given 2. So that will be 2 square. Yeah, one unknown. All are known. How easy this is? 91s are 94s are. This 4 gets cancelled. 3 pi, a square equal to 3 pi, a equal to root 3 pi. Right answer, Struggle. B is the right answer. Fadila, right answer. You see, whatever he has given, I just equated the same way, applied the remaining formulas. Okay, student. So, any other question? Yeah, you see, student, direct question. Area of a segment of circle of radius r and central angle is 90 degrees. So there is a circle, there is a segment, and it is making 90 degrees. What is the formula? Sir, area of a sector minus area of a triangle. Area of a sector, pi r square by 4. Why? Because theta is 90. Minus 1 by 2 r square. Because area of a triangle is half r square. Yes, Sugar, right answer. C is the right answer. Minute hand info. Yeah, this we have done it many times, right? Yeah, this also you can do. Hover hand of a clock is fine. Yeah, this one question will be doing. The hover hand of a clock is 6 centimeters long, and read the question and students, how will you do it? The hover hand of a clock is, you see, this is a clock. That small hover hand, which is 6 centimeter long. Area swept by it 11:20 to 11:55 a.m. Okay, student, it's 11:20 to 11:55 a.m. Okay, Struggle gives some answer. You students, here you see, you should observe very carefully. He's speaking about hover hand, and he has given some minutes. Okay, so 11:20 to 11:55. How many minutes, student? 20, 30, 40, 35 minutes. 35 minutes. So what will hover hand do? 1 hour. So it is something like, yeah, 12 hours, 360 degrees. Okay, so something like 12, 1 hour is 60 minutes. 60 minutes, 360 degrees. Okay, so 1 minute is nothing but 360 by 12 into 60. 66, 1 by 2 degree. 1 minute, 1 by 2 degree, student. 35 minutes. 35 and multiplying on both sides. How much you will get? 17.5 degree you will get. Okay, again I'm repeating. He spoke about hover hand. He is mentioning some minutes. So you should see in hover hand how many degrees it will make. So you know if the hover hands make 12 hours, 360 degree. Hours you need to convert into minutes because I want to finally convert into minutes. 1 hour, 60 minutes. So if I want 1 minute, I'll set 12 into 60 on the other side. But I want 35 minutes, 35 on both sides, 17.5 degrees. That means now you know theta. Can't you find the sector's area? Theta by 360 into pi r square. Let me see. Yes, 17.5 degrees, 17.5 degrees. Okay, so he might use many things like 35 by 60, some random things he will use. You don't do that logic. You use this logic only. Whatever knowledge you have, you start with that. I have the knowledge. If at all small clock, small hand will move, 360 degrees means 12 hours. I know that comparison. From there, I brought whatever I want. Okay, Fadil, understood, beta? Okay. Okay, students, we'll stop this particular session here. Okay. And whoever is interested, you can go through my PDF. Okay, all the questions which you can expect from this chapter are given. Again, I'm saying don't take much complicated than this. If you still want to try the reference books, start with other chapters. You see, many students, even after doing this much trigonometry, are not comfortable. So you can spend your time over there, and those are worthy also, 12 marks. Okay. Okay, student. That's all from my side. Thank you, student.
Fine.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.